Hi, this is Maria. Welcome to my craft room. Look what came in the mail. This is Stampin' Up's mini catalog that is good from September 6th through January 3rd, actually, of 2024. You get a couple of extra days with this. I cannot show you the inside of this catalog because it is not online yet. You have to wait till September 6th to order. If you are a current customer of mine and you already shop with me, then you have one of these coming in the mail. If you don't shop with me and you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, you can request one from me. Send me an email, maria@mariascraftroom.com, and tell me that you need one. Or you can also ask for the current annual catalog, May through April of 24. This one is already active, and if you go to the Stampin' Up! Website, you can shop from this one now. This one you have to wait till September. So how to contact me. If you don't remember my email, go to mariascraftroom.com, which looks like this. And you have a contact me button right there that will open an email for you. You can shop from here. You can shop from here. This button will actually apply the current host code, which if you spend more than $50 will give you a goodie prize at the end of the month. Click here and it will take you straight to the website and you can shop from there. This is where all of my projects are. You can click there and see instructions and pictures and all of that for all of my projects. This button will take you directly to Stampin' Up. There it is. This is the online store. You can click the menu button and it will tell you that you're shopping with me. Click there. You can connect with me. That will show you all of my social media, as well as a little email icon that will send me an email, and it tells you that you're using a host code and how to remove it if you choose to do that. And that is how you can reach me, okay? So excited with the new catalog. It will be coming in the mail to you soon, like I said, and if you need one, let me know. Thanks for watching.